Do you like the new house?
No.
Huh? No? Alright, this is after week 5 of renovation. So you can see a lot of the works have already been done up. We have the arch dry pantry over here. Our false ceiling has already been done up. And also, because we broke down the room here, if you recall, right? So they have a little beam here where we are going to have our glass door right over here. Yes, we have quite a lot of aircon units. We have 1 unit in the study room. We have 2 units back to back, front and back. 1 for the dining, 1 for the living space. We spend money building all these arch door for the toilet, for the master, as well as for the common. For the common wise, we changed the floorings. These are actually vinyl flooring, but they look like actual floor. This is week 7 of renovation. We are now proceeding over to electrical works where we'll be doing up the lights and switches. So at least now the house will feel like a house. Okay, so now we are deciding where the switches will go. So like for example, I got this magic pack, this triple switch walker, how I got placed on the walls. We're discussing how the sliding door, how the wires are going to run. It's a very complicated process. You know, I have a mat here and I'm drawing out. So let's see whether we can solve this. 我是放一个 4 gang， 这边是 1 heater， 2 gang plus 1 heater 是吗？ Okay, so now they're installing the lights. These are the acrylic panels. Later on, they'll be installing the switch. So for both toilets, they'll be installing. He's taking all the lights and he's putting in the respective rooms. We need to add a hard cardboard backing so that the aircon can actually nail onto it. So later on here, we also will have a pelmet lah. So the pelmet will cover this sliding glass door. One thing good is everything has been boxed up here. I didn't even notice the box went in. This is covered by partitions, so you don't really see the piping like what we saw previously here. And of course, in the toilet, you will still see this piping, but I don't think it's that obvious. So in the master bathroom, maybe the piping sticks out a little bit more, but because it's white and it blends with the marble, it's not too bad. But when it comes all the way down, you can still see this pipe going to drain the water. So if you can't remember the original HDB walls, it's actually protruding inwards. And what we did is partition the whole thing, and so that our TV can just sit there, and our TV box comes down, and we purposely carved this area because there's a box and we need to hide something there. And over here, we also partitioned to make everything more flat and more uniform. So these are all wires for our electrical sockets. So having pelmets here are very important because we want to block off the curtains and we want to make sure that the wire is correctly placed. So everything is just hidden from sight. Let's find out what is storing behind the storeroom. Probably is a mess. Oh, we have the toilet bowls and we have all our switches and all the other items that we don't want to be placing outside the living room. So one more additional touch we actually did is we did this curved pelmet, which will hide the curtains over here. So from far, what we see is really a very nice rounded arch. Another key feature of our house is this S-shaped cove lighting, which will be installed soon. So what do you think about the Reno so far?
Okay lah.
What do you mean okay? It looks nice!
MVP.
Alright, so the 2 fans have already been installed. And we chose KDK fans because they have white color and also they are multifunctional. They have multiple fan speed as well as they have warm and cool light, which is also smart. I think importantly, the smart feature is what we bought in for. And we chose the smaller fan in the living area because we have lights around the fan and we need to make sure that there are no flickering effects. So you need to have some distance. And then for the living, we chose a bigger fan because we wanted a bigger fan speed. And not only the fans, right, today we actually installed our lights. So not all the lights are installed, those that can be installed we have already done up. So these lights are from Seoul Luminaire. We installed some here, we also installed in the kitchen. Kitchen we chose a double halo light. So you can see here, these are all warm lighting. I'm in the common bedroom now and we have 2 different kinds of lights. We have the halo twin lights that you saw outside. We also have the Akara ceiling light. And what's so different about it is that there is a ring light around it and a center light, which both are customizable and dimmable through the app itself. For both of our bathrooms, we went for the halo twin lights. We also went for warm white because that's supposedly giving us the more comfortable feeling and I think more hotel feel. So you can see Our master also follows the same concept. So the reason why our master bedroom has not installed any lights is because we need the carpentry to be up and then do proper measurements because we don't want to have the lighting off center or anything like that. And that's the end of our video. So many lights yet to be installed. So we're really far from completion. But I can see the end nearing. So do like, share, subscribe for more, and to our next Reno update. Let's go!